Oh my gosh. Oh my. So welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a nighttime POV. But now on the freeway, I'm just gonna go to the next exit. Dude, the roar is something else, dude. Honestly, dude, till this day, I cannot believe I have a V8 foreign. Now I see why I haven't done a POV in this car, dude. So there's like no lights in this car. I mean, there's lights, but it's not anything crazy. Hope you guys still enjoyed the video though. Holy. Oh, bridge time, baby, bridge time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was freaking beautiful. Definitely gotta be careful at night though, because I can't see. Dude, the tint on this car, I still haven't changed them just because like I've just been traveling a lot, so I haven't had the time. Oh dude, that's so fun. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, till this day I still can't believe I got a foreign. I mean, dude, like going back like a year and a half, I was like dreaming about this, but thankfully, dude, all the hard work like I put in paid off, because it honestly made my job easier, and that's honestly what got me the confidence to buy one. And if it wasn't for me, like, you know, becoming smarter and be able to get a better value for myself, I wouldn't be able to afford these cars. Nighttime's where it's at, bro. All like the plazas are closed. Oh, dude, this could be. Oh, I get to get to the bridge. Gotta take to the bridge right now. Or not bridge, parking structure. What am I saying right now? But when I'm multitasking, bro, I sometimes like don't even think what I'm saying, bro. Oh my gosh, I gotta film a video for my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is Marky.797, and bro, we're popping off actually. Oh my gosh! Alright, I'm gonna film a freaking Instagram reel. One sec. Film some, dude. I don't know why, but like this car gets way more views than like Hellcats do. And same with YouTube. You know, YouTube's doing like pretty decent. And like, if any of you guys curious like why I keep it so simple, it's just because YouTube's the whole point. Oh, this guy's the security's like following me right now. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone, bro. I'm just trying to vibe over here, dude. Come on. But he must have heard me from like a mile away, because I just do the walls here. Just come on, there's like no humans here, bro. Let me do my thing. Somebody honked. Oh yeah, the security's following me. Oh my! Come on, car, go. Yeah, the security's following me, but I'm chilling, dude. I don't think he cares that much. I mean, I don't know actually, but there's no cars here, bro. So we're vibing. There's a GC Mustang just revving it. Dude, Mustangs sound amazing. I was actually supposed to get a GC Mustang as my first car from the auction, so I got it for like dirt cheap. I was gonna fix it up and stuff, and dude, things happen, bro. People, I like till this day, boys, you don't understand. Like a year ago, I was dreaming to buy cars like this, and luckily I made it more than just like for myself. Like I'm obviously making videos, like I'm only doing what I used to enjoy watching, which is just POVs. Honestly, I freaking love them. Smells like oil, okay, dude. That better not be coming from my freaking car. Yeah, the temperature's good. I think we're chilling, dude. Dude, I love this thing, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Definitely driving this car around the shopping plaza is where it's at, bro. Dude, I pushed this car to the limit. Just like right now, there's this 5.0 that pulled up. Bro, this car has insane pull. Like the 0 to 60, dude, is so quick. It's honestly like freaking scary. But definitely me driving this car, I'm noticing the back tread is like getting really freaking low. So definitely after this video, this weekend, I'm gonna go get some new tires. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to get. I don't know what to get. Try to keep this car chill for a sec, because I was just freaking raping it right now, dude. I wish I recorded it, but oh man. Definitely did not record as much as I wanted to. I hope I recorded enough today. But definitely, dude, at that shopping plaza, that's the vibe. Nighttime vibe, especially. Oh my gosh. When it shifts like that, dude, it's scary. Such an aggressive shift. I'm sad, boys. I gotta fly out to Germany again. And usually I don't care. But it's like going back and forth, it's just like ruins your schedule, you know? Like, dude, it took me 1 week to get off this jet lag. It was horrible. Holy. Dude, that foreign, oh my gosh. I love it, dude. I freaking love it. But basically, all I can say to you guys is that work harder, you know, grow a skill that not many people are learning. Basically, just do what everyone else is not doing. And don't buy cars, buy real estate. Trust me, boys. In the long run, it'll help you, and there's a lot of benefits. I love how I actually enjoy these cars. And since I got warranty, bro, I have peace of mind. For the next 7 years, bro, I'm chilling. I'm chilling for the next 7 years. Dude, it's so quick. It's unreal. That's crazy.